Kabir and Shweta, I have with me Arpita Chatterjee. She's a woman who wears many hats. She's a director of Studio 9, but what I'm looking forward to is what she's going to do here, which is there's going to be a solo performance. So a theatre artist, she's an actress, Arpita. A solo performance is one thing, but to be able to do it for an hour and a half or something where you're going to be singing in different languages, acting, tell us more about what one can expect.
I'm really excited to be here. I'm sure that this TV9 network is creating a historical moment in media industry, in Indian media industry for sure. And I'm really privileged to be part of this grand endeavor of TV9. Yes, my name is Jan. That's the play. It's a musical solo play. It is based on the life of Gauhar Jan, the first gramophone voice of a little bit of performance. So you can say that it is a rendition of the musical part precisely.
Can I tell you something? I have heard rave reviews about My Name is Jan. I heard Mr. Anupam Kher talk about it. He'd gone to watch it in Mumbai and he said it was fantastic. That's the other thing, the focus, the concentration one requires to be able to do this. I mean, it's exhausting. I can't imagine what this must take. I've heard your clips of you singing where you've trained for this performance. What has gone into it?
It was very challenging. Still it is challenging. Every time when I perform on the stage, before that, I think that whether I don't know whether I'd be able to do that, because the way I said, first challenge is there are no actors, it's only me. Second is all together acting, dancing and singing. And this singing is Indian classical music. It's not light-hearted, easygoing stuff. So put all together, it's really difficult. So every time I just pray to God that इस बार के लिए please save कर दो.
Okay, I'm not going to keep you here longer. I know it's freezing, but quickly, Germany and the summit. I mean, we've been talking about it, building up to it on the red carpet. Other than the performance, of course, that we're looking forward to, what is it that you're looking forward to?
The way I said at the beginning, that it is a history that TV9 is making. And two countries like India and Germany, it's a bilateral aspect that they are bringing into not only to India but globally. So I wish my best wishes, I wish all the best and congratulations to this network, to our MD and everybody, the entire team, to make this event so successful. Thank you so much.
Arpita Chatterjee, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We're looking forward to your performance, and hopefully this time you won't have to pray. We're also going to be praying with you, saying, Bhagwan, ye wala acha karna. Thanks, Arpita.